Without a doubt, houseboating is one of the most relaxing and enjoyable ways to spend summertime in the Thompson Okanagan. I've heard for years how amazing it is to go houseboating in the Shuswap region, and now I'm excited to experience it firsthand with Waterway Houseboats. The Shuswap region of the Thompson Okanagan is made up of sun-drenched beaches, warm water, abundant recreation, and is perfect for laid-back cruising. Shuswap Lake has over 1,000 kilometers of shoreline to explore and is shaped like a giant letter H. Made up of 4 arms, the Shuswap or main arm, Salmon Arm, Seymour Arm, and Anstey Arm, they all converge in the middle at Sinamoosin Narrows, a provincial park accessible only by water. I'm on board the Legacy, Waterway's largest, most impressive houseboat. It can sleep up to 30 people and has every amenity you'll need to make it your home away from home. Inside, you'll find 3 levels of luxurious decor, including granite countertops, a furnished boardroom with video conferencing, and beautiful staterooms. Bring your fishing rod, mountain bike, or even your golf clubs to play around at one of the local courses. You'll discover sandy beaches, hidden coves, waterfalls, marine parks, and even pictographs. If you're looking for adventure, bring your scuba gear and explore some interesting dive sites, including shipwrecks. Waterway Houseboats has assisted the Shuswap Trail Alliance, Shuswap Tourism, and Skookum Cycle in developing an extensive network of mountain bike trails. There are fun trails for the entire family, as well as adventurous and more advanced trails for experienced riders. These trails are accessible directly from your houseboat. Or lace up your hiking boots and get out for a walk. With so many trails to choose from, you can decide how relaxed or rigorous you'd like it to be. Or just sit back, relax, and enjoy the gorgeous scenery from aboard the houseboat. The best part about a Waterway houseboat vacation is you can spend your time as you choose. At the end of the day, unwind with a gourmet dinner cooked on your state-of-the-art barbecue. Then relax and take in the views from your rooftop hot tub. A perfect end to a perfect day. Waterway Houseboats also host special events throughout the summer, such as live music, dining, and dancing. Get a group together and join in on the fun. With over 70 boats to choose from, Waterway Houseboats will set you up in style, with a vessel to suit any occasion, from vacations to weddings and even business trips. They are the only houseboat company that offers complimentary high-speed internet on every boat, so you can cruise and surf. It's easy to see why this is the houseboating capital of Canada. To book your aquatic adventure, visit waterwayhouseboats.com. Or stop by their office on the shores of picturesque Mara Lake, just a 1-hour drive north of Vernon on Highway 97. Visit the Thompson Okanagan region.